Hey guys, so today I will show you my coffee latte rinse to control hair fall and promote thicker hair. So the milk I'm using here today is my good old coconut milk. Now when I say coconut milk, I mean the fresh coconut milk that is extracted from the grated coconut fruit and not the one from the box, because that probably has added preservatives and is already diluted with water. Now I'm using coconut milk because it is high in lauric acid, which is known for its ability to penetrate the hair easily and help strengthen the cuticle. It is also rich in vitamin C, E, B1, B3, B5, and B6, so it prevents hair fall, restores dry scalp and hair, and help gets rid of dandruff too. And of course, we are going to be using coffee. Now, coffee helps stimulate hair roots, it increases blood circulation, thus it promotes hair growth, and it is also said that caffeine helps blocks the effects of DHT, thus it results in longer and wider hair roots. It also prolongs the anagen duration, which is the hair growth stage, so it helps control your hair fall and aids in thickening your hair. Coffee also contains flavonoids, which are antioxidants that promotes hair regeneration. Now, by the way, how I prepare this coffee is I just did the drip method, but you can always brew the coffee on however way you want it. Mine takes a longer time, but I like how potent and how strong the coffee becomes when I do it this way. Okay, of course, to assemble this latte, I will go ahead and add in the coconut milk, of course. Now, I'm using that much just because my hair is long. And also since I'm using this all over my hair, so I really need a lot of it. And then, of course, I'll add in that much of the coffee. Now, I did not do the 50-50% ratio because using strong coffee like this, I find could actually dry out the hair. So I added more of the coconut milk, more than the coffee, but go ahead and play around with the proportion to see what works best for your hair type. Now, this is what it looks like. It actually looks very tasty. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and shake it just to make sure it's all combined. And now for the application, I'm gonna put this in this bottle right here that has a pointed nozzle like this, so that it'll be easier for me to apply it on my hair and scalp. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and put this all over my hair. This is really best if you actually soak your hair in it, and this would actually be great if you do this in the shower because you will be dripping and it's kind of messy, so you could either do this in the sink or inside your shower. And I also find that this works best if your hair is clean and not on your third day hair. And this is actually one of those rinses that is ideal to use when your hair and scalp is not filled with oils or dirt on top of it. So in there, I left it on my hair for 20 minutes and then I just rinse it out. And as I've mentioned, I was recently dealing with hair fall due to me losing weight last time. So all of the DIYs that I'm doing, plus this, has definitely helped me a lot. And it also improved the quality of my hair as well. It made my hair soft too, which is a bonus. But overall, I really like how this helped control my hair fall. Now you can use this rinse once or twice a week to see its full result. And also this is actually a great substitute to use for growing your hair if your hair is sensitive to oils. So you can just go ahead and resort to using this rinse instead. So that is it, you guys. I hope you all like this video, and once again, if you did, please give this video a thumbs up, and also let me know in the comments down below if you all are tagging along with this hair growth challenge prep. Just because if you guys didn't know, I will be posting my full-on hair care routine for growing my hair healthy and long. Probably you will see those videos on December. So if you guys are planning to join in, at least now you can see all of the DIYs that I am using and that I will be using on my hair. So that's it. And also, if you guys found this content valuable, please do share it to a friend. And why am I doing this? And I will see you on my next one. Bye!